conversation between father and son about household chores.
Hey, Samir. Where are you going?
Dad, I am going to my friend's home.
If you have time, I have to talk to you something. Sit here.
Okay, Dad.
Samir, I think it's time for you to start helping around the house.
Okay, Dad.
Your mom and I want you to start doing some chores.
Will I get an allowance like Susie?
Of course. You will first. Let's start with cleaning up the playroom when it gets messy.
Okay, what else?
How about setting and clearing the dinner table?
These are easy.
And loading and unloading the dishwasher?
Okay. Do I have to do all of these things every day?
No. I want you to share these chores with your sister. You can both decide which ones you want to do.
That is not fair.
Why is not this fair?
She is going to pick the easiest ones for herself and give me the harder chores to do.
She won't.
You don't know Susie.
I think I want a raise in my allowance. We haven't told you how much you are getting yet.
If I have to share chores with my sister, I am going to be doing most of the work.
That would be great. Now you can go.
Bye, Dad.
Bye, Samir.
If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.